people come in and out of the store all day long. It's like a Walmart in here, and to see some of the guys that are driving up with their car and the trailer in the back with mud still on it, you know, their little Pinto that they raced the night before and need to get a part or some fuel or something. It makes my heart happy that, you know, the grassroots guys are out there, and I don't think they're going anywhere.
Ultimately, the initial steps, they're going to be able to knock off large chunks of time. But as you get down under 25 seconds and under 20 seconds, it becomes much more difficult at that point. We're looking at all aspects of the pit stop. Ultimately, your end goal is 12 seconds, right? We want to see a 12-second pit stop.